Assindo iOS AI is a new software that just hit the market, and it's creating quite a buzz in the AI space. In this review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this game-changing tool, and I'll give you an inside look at whether it's really the best AI software you should be using right now. Stick around to the end for an exclusive tip on how you can try Assindo iOS completely free, plus my personal recommendations for other AI tools I've tested that are worth your time. So, what is Assindo iOS AI? In short, it's an all-in-one AI tool designed to help you streamline a range of tasks, from personal productivity to professional efficiency. It promises to simplify daily operations, making everything from organizing your schedule to automating business tasks easier than ever. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, Assindo iOS AI is powered by cutting-edge machine learning, which means it continuously improves the more you use it. What sets it apart is its intuitive interface, which is super user-friendly, even if you're not a tech expert. You don't need to spend hours learning how to use it. It's designed to make your life easier from the get-go. Secondly, one of the standout features is its deep integration with iOS. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, you'll feel right at home because it seamlessly blends with your existing apps, syncing your data across your devices. Whether it's managing emails, setting reminders, or helping you organize your digital life, Assindo iOS AI does it all in the background, saving you time and effort. Now let's talk about the task automation. Assindo iOS AI doesn't just handle basic tasks like sending messages or setting reminders. It actually goes a step further by automating complex workflows. If you have recurring tasks, you can set the software to automatically execute them without any manual input. This is a huge time saver, especially for business owners or professionals juggling multiple responsibilities. Another major benefit is the powerful natural language processing (NLP) capability. This means you can talk to Assindo iOS AI in a conversational tone, and it will understand your commands and perform tasks accordingly. From writing emails to generating reports, it feels like you have your very own AI assistant on standby. And then there's the customization. Unlike other AI tools, Assindo iOS AI allows for a high degree of personalization. You can tailor its responses, workflows, and even the way it organizes your data to suit your exact needs. This flexibility is great for people who need specific tools or have a particular way of working. But one of the things I love most about Assindo iOS AI is how it saves you time with smart suggestions. It learns from your habits and anticipates what you'll need, offering suggestions before you even realize you need them. It's like having an assistant who knows exactly what to do before you ask. Finally, I know some of you are probably wondering about the pricing. While Assindo iOS AI is a premium tool, you can actually try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you the chance to explore its features without committing to anything upfront. Before we wrap up, let me give you a quick overview. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found that Assindo iOS AI stands out for its seamless integration, powerful task automation, and natural language processing. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity or automate complex tasks, it has you covered. Don't forget to check out the other AI tools I've personally tested and recommend, all available for free trials in the description below. If you're looking to up your game with AI, you won't want to miss out on these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.